Hi everyone, it's Isabel here from Kia Victoria. I have some very exciting news to share with you. We finally have the Kia 2023 beautiful Kia Seltos available in stock for immediate delivery. So what we have here is a 2023 Kia Seltos LX all-wheel drive. Comes with 17-inch rims, standard roof rails, and body-colored side view heated mirrors. The Seltos LX all-wheel drive comes very well equipped with safety features such as the rear cross traffic alert and your blind spot detection warning. Here we are inside. It comes with wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, heated front seats, drive mode select, and the rear view camera on the 8-inch display. This incredible 2023 LX Seltos all-wheel drive is only $27,595 plus taxes, levies, and fees. That's right, $27,595 including freight and PDI. Right now, Kia is offering interest rates as low as 3.99% for up to 60 months on the 2023 Seltos. The best thing is, we have them available for delivery this month.